let me give you a demonstration of how you can start to practice for a better push-up session. Train with me. This is how we start. It's called a kneeling push-up. Right. So we do this and then we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Hello everybody. So it's CJ here, the African fitness addict. So I want to thank you so much for watching this. So I just wanted to share with you something that I think is very important. Alright, so in our lives every day as human beings, as leaders, as professionals, as lecturers, as entrepreneurs, I don't care what you do, all of us, we understand that in this journey called life, we are going through a lot of things. Mental health issues, you see, drug abuse issues that are coming up, a whole lot of things that are, disturbing our lives because we are going through a lot. But I want to tell you that one of the things that can help you on this journey is to join some of us on this thing called exercise. If the first thing that you do early in the morning when you wake up is to scroll on your phone, then that's going to destroy your life. Robin Sharma says that an addiction to distraction is the death of your creative production. An addiction to distraction is the death of your creative production. Excuses are nothing but well-crafted lies. I will repeat that again. A certain writer had to say this. Excuses are nothing more than well-crafted lies. This is your body. This is your health. I know that a lot of you Zimbabweans, Africans, and a lot of other people, they like investing into cars. They like investing in all other things, in parties, in going for weekends, for holidays. I know that's very important because we need to enjoy ourselves. But what is the purpose of investing in everything else and you fail to invest on the most important thing, your health? What is the purpose of success if you're not healthy? So it starts with me and you. And then we do a little bit of job. Thumbs up, well done. Thumbs up, well done. This is what you've got to do. And then you go again. 5 again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So this is how you can start to exercise. And I'm telling you that if you can begin to do this, I will share with you a whole lot of exercises that you can do by starting small. This is the lower level. You go to the middle level and then to the upper level, right? And then you'll be very great. I want to thank you so much for watching this. CJ here. I will be training with you. I'm transforming myself in as much as it is also transforming you. So let's join one another. Let's transform the world. You've got a healthy body. Excuses are nothing more than a well-crafted lie. Because what happens is that exercising transcends your body, it transcends your mind, and ultimately it transcends your soul. Thank you so much for watching this. And for all those who are interested of training, who are saying that we cannot be able to do this alone, I can also help you. Hit the subscribe button and I'll be sharing with you in the comments. You can do all sorts of requests. I'll be training with you. I'm a fitness addict, baby. I want to thank you so much for watching this. We'll be sharing more of this. Let's exercise, let's be healthy, let's be fit. And until next time.